Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Office Pro Daily. Today I'm going to show you how to do percentages within Excel. So let's say this accounted for our total yearly sales, and we wanted to know how much each month accounted for in that total sales. So if we go up here and we start a formula, go equals, we'll click on the cell that we want to start with, so B2. We'll go divide, which is the forward slash, and then we'll put in an absolute value here, which is dollar symbol, and then we'll go B, and then dollar symbol, and 15, and then we'll hit enter. And now it's done that math for us. We just need to convert it to percentage, so click on it, go right up here to percent. Now it's converted to a percentage, and we could do that with the rest, or we can just use this autofill function, drop all the way down. Now it looks good. The last thing that I would personally do is make this into a table to make it look a little bit better. And so I will go Control L and then OK. And now it's in a table. Hey guys, I appreciate you tuning in. As always, please like and subscribe and comment below what you would like the next video to be about. Thank you.